Hi guys, Vin Wells here with rockbottomlasers.com. What I'm featuring today is a 2016 BTL Vanquish ME, ME standing for maximum energy. And this device is in excellent condition. It's been very well cared for. It did receive an inspection maintenance in May of 2018, just last month. And it has had a single owner. It does come with the core applicator, the most common applicator that's used on the machine, and the delivery cables, the operator's manual, and it also has a 90-day warranty. So it's an excellent device. I would highly recommend you consider this machine because of its condition. And once again, we do include a 90-day warranty. But the Vanquish is definitely highly sought after. It's a great device to have in your practice. Thank you.